Welcome to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. In this video, we will create a VCN and its other components in OCI using Terraform script. We already have a video that explains how to install and configure Terraform on Oracle Linux instance and how to create Terraform script to authenticate and fetch data from OCI tenancy. Check the video description for the documentation. First, set up a directory for Terraform scripts in the instance where the Terraform is installed. Then, refer to the video in the description to define the provider. In your home directory, create a directory called Terraform and change to that directory. Create a file called variable.tf in Terraform directory. In the code, we have defined the compartment ID and display name of the resources. Add the following code to the variable.tf. Save the variable.tf file. Next, in the Terraform directory, create a file called vcn.tf and define the resources VCN, subnet, root table, internet gateway, and NAT gateway. Add the following code to vcn.tf. Save the vcn.tf file. Here we can see on the left side I have declared variables in the variable block and called the declared variable when defining the resources in the right side vcn.tf file. In this section, we will declare an output block to show the resource name. In the Terraform directory, create a file called outputs.tf. Add the following code to outputs.tf. Save the outputs.tf file. We now have all the required scripts to create resources. Run the Terraform init command to initialize the working directory. To review the execution plan, run the Terraform plan command. Run the Terraform apply command to apply the change and create resources. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful.